I'm about to show you how to find $150,000 a month products in just 5 minutes. Or in other words, products that are doing at least $5,000 a day for other sellers right now. And these products are perfect because the numbers don't lie. The demand is there, and it's still early to jump on these trends before they're saturated. So when you're ready to cover the best product research method of 2026, let's jump into my laptop and get started. So I'll go ahead and log into my Zik account. As you guys can see right here, Zik is the best way to find trending products on Shopify, eBay, AliExpress, as well as Amazon. And you can see everything about each one of these products. You can see what kind of ads they have running, their current sales, and so much more. So when you first log in, it takes you to this page right here. They call this their Market Insights dashboard, and it's gonna show you all the top performing Shopify stores over here on the left-hand side, as well as all of these trending products in the middle. It'll show you how much each product is being sold for, its current sales, as well as the amount of revenue it's making every single month for these other stores. Now I know this one right here is an overly saturated product, but if you want to pull up more information about any of these, you can go ahead and analyze these stores by clicking on this icon right here. And it's going to bring up everything to do with each one of these stores. So we're taking a look at the brand Rave Essentials Co. They're active on Instagram and Facebook. All of their ads are running on Facebook right now. They have 91 different products. You guys can scroll through their entire list down here. 1,200 sales and $43,000 in revenue over the last 30 days. And if we pull up their sales chart, sales aren't that consistent. They have some days where they're making like 1,500, other days where they're making 600, and other days where they're not making any sales at all. In a store with over 91 products, you would think would be making a lot more than $40,000 a month. So it looks like they need to narrow down some of these products and just focus on a few. And considering we found that saturated massage gun from this brand, I'm not sure any of these products are worth testing because they have dozens of different products that are doing $100, $200 a day, when instead you could focus on products that do thousands of dollars every day. So I'm not liking any of these. I'm gonna go ahead and click on their product explorer tool, and this just lets you look up winning products using all of this search criteria. So we can go ahead and look up winning products by their keyword. You can look up different niches, keywords, or even the name of a product if you have one in mind. Then we can go ahead and select the product type. Is it a dropshipping product? Are we looking up one product stores, print on demand stores? And what kind of ads do they have running? Are they running Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Pinterest, or Snapchat? You can narrow it down even further by selecting the country, the language of the store, the currency they're selling in. We can leave the sales date range alone at 30 days. For sales, we'll go ahead and leave this alone. But for revenue right here, since we want to find products that are doing $150,000 a month, we're going to type that in. So we'll go ahead and type in 150,000. You can select the minimum and maximum price for these products if you want to find low ticket or high ticket. But all I'm searching for is products doing $150,000 a month. That's all I care about right now. We can narrow everything else down later. So I'll go ahead and click search. And just like that, all of these winning products over here are doing at least $150,000 a month. And as you scroll through this list, you want to keep all of your winning product criteria in mind. Do these products solve a clear problem? Are they evergreen and they can be sold all year round? Are they easily demonstratable in the first 5 seconds of your content? And are they even scroll stopping? Are they going to stop the viewer in their tracks from scrolling on to the next video? You should be answering yes to all of these questions. And you're going to find a fair mix of clothing products, digital products like this course right here, physical products, print on demand products. Like if you really want to, you can narrow everything down in your search, but I just want to find as many different products as I can. So here's a popular one I've seen before, this red light hat. I think it actually helps with like hair growth or something. And as we can see, it's doing $266,000 a month for another store right now. Now this product right here does solve a clear problem. It has that red light therapy. It helps with hair loss or whatever problems they're targeting. It's evergreen. It can definitely be sold all year round. It's not like a winter or a summer product. And something like this can definitely create scroll stopping content. It's literally a hat with a giant red light on it. People are going to be wondering what the hell that is. So I want to take a closer look at this product right here. Let's analyze this store. So we're looking at the company Red Light Innovation, redlightinnovation.com. They're active on Facebook, TikTok, as well as Instagram, and they have 2 different products. They have the red light hat right here that we were just taking a look at, and they're also selling some biotin gummies, which makes sense if it's a hair loss company because biotin helps with hair growth. I was wondering why they're selling that supplement, but it makes complete sense now. But with their 2 products right there, they're doing 1,200 sales a month or $300,000 in revenue. We'll pull up their sales chart right here. And for the most part, sales are pretty consistent. They're a little bit choppy. You have days where they're making like $6,000, $7,000. Then you have other days where they're making $11,000, $14,000. So sales are definitely pretty inconsistent, but this brand is doing $300,000 a month with these simple products. And this is the landing page that's doing $250,000 a month. Look how clean this looks. This is actually a well-written, well-branded product page. I would say this is like a 9 out of 10. We get a pop-up right there asking for our name and email. I really like that. They're gonna add us to their email list. They have all their FAQs, their customer reviews down here at the bottom, the sticky add to cart button that follows us, and some more information about the hat and their gummies right here. This is seriously like a 9 or 10 out of 10. Now, if we go back to Zik, we can actually take a look at how this brand is promoting this product. Let's go ahead and take a look at their Facebook page. So here's Red Light Innovation. They're not very active. They haven't posted in like 1 or 2 years now. So let's go back to Zik and see if they're active on TikTok instead. Okay, so they only have 15 followers on TikTok and 240 likes. So they're actually less active on here. Let's see when their last post was. Wow, June of 2025. So these guys aren't posting anything, yet they're still doing $300,000 a month. They must have outsourced their marketing to an ad agency. A lot of times, if you can't find any marketing on any of these brands' pages, it's entirely outsourced. Or they're just using a really good influencer marketing strategy. That's another really good option as well. But overall, from what we've seen so far, this is a really good product to sell. The competition is low. It's doing $300,000 a month. If you guys want to start selling this product today, you guys can actually click on this little AliExpress icon, and it's going to use AI to find all the top AliExpress suppliers for you. So of course, AI isn't perfect. You guys are going to get some normal baseball hats in here, but this product right here is the exact one we're looking for. Same with this one. And you guys can see we're sourcing it for around $30. You can sell it for upwards of $400 with the right marketing. And that's a 90% profit margin, or you're making $385 per sale. These are the exact kind of products you want to focus on. And of course, you can add any of these products to your own store in just one click. But I'm gonna go ahead and click on this listing right here and see if this is actually a good supplier. So we're sourcing it for around $34. This supplier only has 13 units sold. That's not a good sign, but they do have 97% positive feedback. So the ratings for the supplier are good. I would definitely message a couple suppliers selling this product and ask them, do you guys support drop shipping? Can you come down on pricing at all? What shipping options do you have available? Ask them all the questions beforehand. But realistically, with products like this, you really shouldn't be depending on AliExpress, especially because you can get this sourced for like $15, $20 and shipped out much faster with a private supplier. Now, a really good option if you plan on drop shipping any of these products that we come across is Fulfillman. I've been using them for years with some of my own brands. And what they do basically is they source all of your products for you. They'll get them delivered much faster and much cheaper than AliExpress. But instead, these guys actually store everything in their own warehouses. This lets them bulk order and get your prices way down, but also quality inspect every single item before it's sent out. So just like some of the best suppliers out there, Fulfillment has their own quality control team in place. This is a team of people inspecting every product and every package before it leaves the door. If there's something wrong with your product, like it arrives at their warehouse damaged, they'll go ahead and replace everything for you. Now, in case you want to switch suppliers, I'll go ahead and leave a link for Fulfillment down below. That'll take you to their page right here. We can get a free quote from their team. All you have to do is fill out a little more information about yourself, about your brand and the products you sell, and they'll get back to you with an accurate quote right away. Now, to join Fulfillment, you guys should be making at least 100 orders per month. That way they can guess your projected demand and bulk order all of your products beforehand. And that might seem like a lot if you're a complete beginner, but in reality, this is only like 3 or 4 orders per day. So as soon as you find and validate a winning product and start making a handful of orders every day, it's time to move on and find a private supplier. Now, the great thing about Fulfillment is they handle everything for you. The entire fulfillment system is completely automated. So all you have to do is source these products with your agent, upload them to your store, and start making sales. They'll handle everything else for you. You don't ever have to touch any of your own products or deal with any of your own customers. Fulfillment takes care of everything. Now, people might be wondering how this is any different from AliExpress. Number one, like I already talked about, their prices are much lower than AliExpress. Number two, they have their own private shipping lines, so they can get your products delivered in just 3 to 7 days. With AliExpress, many suppliers still use ePacket, which takes up to 30 business days to arrive. And that's just insane. You can't be waiting that long for your packages to be delivered. But of course, they also have custom branding options. So they can put your logo on your products, on your packaging, thank you cards, gift cards, or anything you need from them. Like, you guys can see how their dropshipping process works down here. You're gonna go ahead and link up your Shopify store to Fulfillment. They'll go ahead and install Zapier and link everything up for you. Then you're gonna go ahead and prepay that $200 start fee for your balance. Now, this isn't a fee or any type of hidden cost. This is simply just adding to your balance so they can go ahead and purchase your products for you. Think of this as just like a down payment to use their warehouse. So you're gonna go ahead and pay for your products up front right there, fill out all of your store information so they can better serve you. And it's that simple. It links up just like that. From there, they're gonna assign you your own dedicated account agent, and this is somebody that communicates with you daily about your business. They'll let you know when there's any issues that arise or answer any questions you might have or help you with anything you might need. These guys are super helpful. Don't hesitate to reach out and ask them anything. And of course, here's some more answers to some of your most common questions down here. Because switching to a private supplier can be very scary when you're first getting started, but in reality, it's not. These guys just make everything so much easier for you. You guys shouldn't be delaying this any longer than you have to. So like we already talked about, they can do the custom branding options, they can do stickers and flyers for just 20 cents per package, or they can put your logo on your package for an additional 20 cents per order. Just reach out to your agent and they'll be able to handle all of this for you. Now, another big positive about working with Fulfillment is their refund policy. If any of your products arrive to your customer's house damaged or broken or even don't arrive at all, they'll go ahead and refund your orders automatically or resend them for you. I remember the days of AliExpress where none of my orders would arrive. And then I would have to endlessly fight with these suppliers just to get a refund. This can cripple your business, but you can avoid this entirely by switching to a private supplier. And Fulfillment is a really good option. So I'll go ahead and leave a link for them down below in case you're interested. That's by far the quickest and easiest way to find winning products to sell yourself. You can find hot trends, look at their current sales, their active ads, and so much more. Like I already mentioned, I'll go ahead and leave a link for Zik down below in case you want to try it out. But I also have a ton of other helpful resources down there, like my free course to help you get started. Don't miss out on any of those. And of course, if you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.